Bonjour, my name is Shilpa Joglekar. I come from Mumbai, India, a very big city with too many people. I have been practicing land art for the last 15 years and I have made projects in different parts of the world. Several projects in France, Belgium, Japan, Taiwan, Korea and India. And I've also been a practicing painter, sculptor and ceramist. My project Blossom Gateway was born when I saw the photograph of this pond, the Pont Gallo-Romain, and I thought that the bridge is a very interesting space. The water is flowing below it and the bridge always connects two different worlds. For me, to create a gateway with flowers, that's the blossom in the forest, was to kind of, because this is a very ancient bridge, it is going from the new to the old, revisiting the old, or coming from the old to the new, from light to dark. So passage is always something very interesting for me. It talks about transformation. And Blossom Gateway has blossom, which is always talking about something new that is reborn. So because I come from a faraway place, I have to work on the site and work with the materials that I find around here. So my work is basically made with wood that I found around in the forest and branches, and the flowers are made with fabric, with tissue. The meaning of the work, very spiritually speaking, is when you connect two exit points, that is a bridge, it's almost transforming you, taking you from one place to another. And to add the flowers, in large scale flowers in a forest like this, is talking about a bloom, something that is new life, being born again. So that's the actual meaning of the work. Apart from it, to look at, it's like a doorway, it's a gateway, an entrance to enter the bridge, to welcome the viewers, the spectators, to walk through my work, to experience the light passing through the flowers and get a very magical, be in a magical space. Horizon Sancy has been a very well-known name in the field of land artists, and maybe for the last 10 years, I've heard so many artists being invited or talking about Sancy and saying that, oh, this is the place one should go to and one should go and work at. So it was almost like a dream come true for me when I was invited here, and I'm very happy. This region is beautiful. It has so many monuments and the nature is, I'm overwhelmed. My heart is filled with joy to be here and to be a part of Horizon Sancy.